Assalamualaikum everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Adir Hamid alias from class 6B. Today, in this video, I would like to share about what is data steward. First of all, I want to ask to all of you, do you know what is data steward is? Okay, let me guess. Maybe you must heard this word from somewhere, but you don't know what the meaning of it. Am I right? Okay, don't worry. Today in this video, I will explain a little bit more about what is data steward. What is a data steward? Data steward is an information technology professional who controls the quality of the data company gathers and the method it uses to collect it. For example, employees often contact them to report data breaches or leaks. They monitor the process for the collecting data and ensure that the information is in the right format. What is the duties of a data steward? Here are some of the main duties of a data steward. First is to creating data processes. A data steward is responsible for determining how a company collects and processes data. They create the process that allow members of the company to interact with the data. For example, they may create a process for how to collect data, how to enter it into database, and how to share it between database. Next is to protecting data. Data stewards are responsible for maintaining the data and helping to remove any duplication or imperfection. This can ensure that the database works properly, which may help employees throughout the company perform their daily duties more effectively. For example, when an error in the database occurs, data steward typically assess the issue to determine what's causing it and take steps to correct it. Next, I will explain about the data steward skills. Here are some of the common skills a data steward uses. First is database knowledge. A data steward works with the company's data and the rules surrounding the use of databases in their department. They have a highly developed understanding of database structures, which help them to construct or manipulate database to produce analytics or reports. They may also use their understanding to navigate a database and find errors in the data. Next is communication skills. Data steward also often train other employees on the data protection procedure they create. To lead this training event and write rules that are easy for their co-workers to follow. Data steward also apply their verbal and written communication skills. They may also use skills to explain new procedure clearly and support their colleagues in implementing them quickly and accurately. And for the third is departmental knowledge. Familiarity with the needs of each department at the company they work for can help data steward understand how the data collects benefit the organization as a whole. This can also help them to determine which type of data to collect, and this can enable them to improve productivity and efficiency. For example, if a data steward is collaborating with a marketing department, they may use their understanding of marketing principle or to get the data about the specific demographics and how they interact with the company's current marketing campaign. And for the last is problem solving skills. Data steward use their problem solving skills to detect the causes of errors in the data and to determine the solution that protect the integrity of the data. They may also solve the problem by creating the policies and processes that help prevent issues that may occur during data collection and maintenance. Solving this type of issue also can help the company to ensure the data is accurate and usable, which can improve its overall efficiency. Okay, next let's see the difference between the data steward versus the data analyst. Both data stewards and data analysts works closely with the data to predict potential trend, identify patterns and make recommendation. While data steward primarily focus on securing an organization's data and making it accessible to others, data analysts retrieve and organize existing data to look for insights and formulate their conclusions. They also frequently use data for predictive analytics, which allow them to make predictions about the future outcomes even as circumstances change. For example, they might use analytics to predict a company's future cash flow. Okay, for the conclusion, data steward is a very useful for the company to identify the problem in the database. Besides, the data steward also can help the employees to more understand about the procedure in the data protection. As a result, the data steward can help them to solve the problems involving the data in the company, and the company can avoid the mistake that can lead to the losses. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and I hope in this video can give you more information and knowledge about what is data steward.